If you encounter the error, Windows cannot verify the digital signature for the drivers required for this device, code 52, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. This is what the error looks like. Now, I'll explain what to do in this case. The main solution is to download the drivers from the manufacturer's website, but before that, you can try a Windows update. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Click on check for updates in the right pane. The next solution is to run a full system antivirus scan. Now, how would you run a full system antivirus scan? Search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and open Windows Security. Now, go to Virus and Threat Protection on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Scan Options, Full Scan, and then click on Scan Now. The last solution is to download the drivers from the manufacturer's website. For example, I have an Asus computer, so I will simply search for Asus drivers, and then I will open the website. Now my model is FA507RE, so I'll hit that and I'll select this one. I'll go to drivers and tools, and now when I scroll down, I'll find the LAN drivers, audio drivers, graphics driver, whatever I want. All I need to do is click on download and then click on open, and when I click on open, it will automatically install the drivers. The case is for others is all you need to do is search for Dell drivers, and you can open Dell drivers or HP drivers or Lenovo drivers. I'll show you for each and every one of them. Okay, go to support.lenovo.com and then select the type of product you have. Like if it's a PC, select this, and then you can enter the model number here. For Dell, you can also select just cancel this and enter the model number here directly. And for HP systems, you will have to select the type, whether it's a desktop or a laptop or whatever, and then you will have to enter the model number. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.